Hi guys, welcome to Nurture Tech Academy. My name is Lokesh. In the earlier videos, we have seen some sorting function, custom sort with the help of custom list and filter the data, the basic filter with simple conditions. Now we're gonna see how to use advanced filter with complex conditions. Okay, advanced filter is basically one of the most powerful function in Excel, and we can sort out uh, you know the complex criterias with that. Now I just concentrate on this example because this is uh, a lengthy example, but this is gonna be a very useful and very easy to understand. Now just see the data. This is actually a real estate data. Let's take an example. Let's take an example that um, if you are working in one of the real estate firm, and you have this data with you, the list price of the property and the date on which this property is listed and the area in which it is, whether it is in North Delhi, Central Delhi or South Delhi, and the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and whether it has a pool or not. Okay, this is around, I think, 119 properties. So you have this list of properties. Okay, now I as a customer come to you, and if I ask you that I want a property and my budget is let's say 2,50,000 rupees. Okay, I know that we're not gonna get any kind of property in that very small budget, but that's an example. That's a fictitious example. So if my budget is, let's say, 2,50,000, and I want the list of the properties you have, okay, within that data. So I probably think that maybe you probably think that we can use the simple filter, or we can just sort this list as per the list price, and just cut paste those properties which are below up to 2,50,000 in the list in a different place, and you can just take a printout and give it to me. Okay, but I do have another condition, and the condition is that um, let's say I would not hesitate to spend 50,000 rupees more if I'll get that property in a posh area, and the posh area would be like North Delhi. Okay, so in that case, uh, again, I think again we have to filter the base data as per the North County, and apply a condition that it should be between uh, 2,50,000 or up to 3 lakh. You can take that example, because if you are getting a posh property in a small budget, even up to 2,50,000, I would not to be hesitate to take that property, because that's a charm for me. So that's okay. But up to 3 lakh, I'll go from I'll spend 50,000 more. It means from 2,50,000 to 3 lakh, I want a property that should belong to North County, not from anywhere else. So you have to again filter the data, or maybe you have something different technique in your mind right now, and you can use that technique. But I'm sure you have to do that again for the next condition. Now my third condition is that, okay, uh, that I would again not hesitate to spend 50,000 more, but uh, it should have at least or you can say that greater than 3 bedrooms. The number of bedrooms should be greater than 3. So my budget is now 3,50,000, but that property should belong to North County first, because that is the by default criteria, because I'm spending more than 2,50,000, and it should have more than 3 bedrooms. So these are the three conditions. Now again, if you have something in your mind, you can apply it, but you have to go through with that procedure again, and you have to combine those lists in the end and take the printout to me. So you are actually repeating your functions again and again, and at every condition. Okay, so what is my idea right now is that, why don't we should have a function in Excel that will take those complex criterias and give me that result. Okay, need not to do those follow those condition again and again. Just provide all the condition at one go and it'll give me the result, the finest result. So in that case, I'm gonna use advanced filter. Okay, but before that, it has a very unique way to put up this function. The way is that you have to take this, you have to insert few rows above the data, as I've done it, and just copy this heading, the header of the base data, and I'm pasting over here like this. Now I have to write the concerned condition under the concerned field. Like my first condition what was that my budget is 2,50,000. So I can say that the property should belong to a list price of less than equal to 2,50,000. Okay, this is my first condition. Now my second condition is that I would not hesitate to spend 50,000 more. So it means if I write that it should be less than equal to 3 lakh, but it should belong to North Delhi. So in that case, I'm just copy and pasting it over here. North Delhi. The criteria is North Delhi. So I'm putting this criteria on the area because this is the concerned field. Okay. And my third criteria was that it should be less than equal to 3,50,000. Perfect. And it should belong to first North Delhi. And the bedroom should be greater than 3. Okay, these are my three condition over here. These are my three condition over here. Now condition can be anything. You can add as many condition as you want, and this advanced filter function is so beautiful that it can filter anything and give you the concerned result. So I'm just removing these extra rows. I don't want it. If it would be there, there would not be an issue. So how to apply this advanced filter? Just go to the data tab. Okay, and in the sort and filter group I have this advanced. So if I just click over here, it automatically select the whole range, because before going to that function I put my cursor within the data, so it is automatically taking this whole range. So that's perfect. If not, you can give it a range as a list range. Now understand this dialog box, because this is really very important. It is asking, first thing it is asking that filter the list in place or copy to the another location. If you want to filter it, it will filter that list over here. Otherwise, if you want to copy it, as I told you that I want to print out of that, you can take it to the different location. So I want that actually. I want to take it to the different location, but prior to that I just want to show you that this is the list range, which is this your base data. The second one is the criteria range. So where is your criteria resides? So this one is my criteria range. Don't forget to take this header in your range, because this is the key. On the basis of the header, it's gonna recognize which condition is belongs to which criteria, which header, which field. Okay, so I have given this as a range, my criteria range. Then I'll go to this copy to another location, because I need to copy it somewhere else, and it is grayed out right now. So if I just click on this, there we go. So it is available right now. If I just click on this, and let's say I click anywhere in the sheet, I can also choose a different worksheet for this, and this last option of this dialog box, this is unique records only. If you think that your data has a duplicacy of the data, then you can just go with this. Otherwise, I know that I don't have any property listed twice or thrice. So if I don't use it, the answer will be the same. Or if I use it, it will not put any harm on my result. So that's okay. That's up to you. So if I press OK, say this. This is the list of so this is the list of all the properties that follow my criteria. So I think this is how many are these? 62 properties. So these are the 62 properties which follow my criteria, and you can see that you know, it is 2,15,000, so it can be belongs to anything, or number of bedroom doesn't matter because my first condition was this. You can actually randomly check. This is a question mark. It means we can't decide whether it is, so that's okay. Now it is above 2,50,000, that is belongs to North Delhi, and so on, so on. So belongs to this, belongs to this. Number of bedroom, let's talk about this, more than 3 lakh. So it should have at least it should belongs to North Delhi, and number of bedrooms should be greater than 3. So I think it's perfectly it's working perfectly fine. So I think you have a fair idea what is advanced filter. I hope you're gonna use this in your work a lot. So that's great. Um, and that's it about the advanced filter. And if you want to buy the whole package of the DVD tutorial, you can buy from here, because this contains a lot of function I've explored over here, and you're going to learn a lot. So thank you guys, thanks a lot, have a great day.